Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, that is introduction of set theory. This topic is very useful for the students who are preparing for JEE, Defines, GATE, and it is also part of discrete mathematics for the student of computer science. Okay, let us start. The first term is set. A well defined collection of elements is known as set. Let me take example. Suppose I am writing it's Virat Kohli, then Mango, then cow, then I write Mumbai. So, you can see this is not a collection of well defined elements. Virat Kohli is a player, mango is a fruit, cow is an animal, and Mumbai is a city. So, this is not a collection of well defined elements. So, this is not a set. Let me take one more example. If I write set of vowels of English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. This is the collection of well defined elements. This is all the elements in this set, all the elements in this collection are the vowels of English alphabet. So, this is the collection of well defined elements, or this is the well defined collection of elements. So, this is a set. Okay, one more example that will make it clear. Suppose I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the collection of all even numbers less than 10. So, this is the collection of well defined elements. So, this is set. Again I am writing, suppose I am writing one more example that will make it everything clear. Suppose I write pi, then x, then I make a triangle, then I write a banana. So, you can see the triangle is a geometrical figure, banana is a fruit, x is a variable, pi is a constant. So, this is not a collection of well defined elements. This is not a well defined collection of elements. So, it is not a set. Okay. A set can be described in following two ways. The first one is roster method or listing method, and second one is set builder method or rule method. Okay, let us understand them. The first one is roster method or listing method. In this method, each and every element of the set is listed. Suppose what I wrote in the previous slide. If I list all the vowels of English alphabet, so this is in this method we are listing each and every element of the set, right? So, this is roster method or listing method. Let me take one more example. Suppose I write two, 4, 6, 8. Again, this is the set of even natural numbers less than 10. Here each and every element has been listed, right? So, when each and every element is listed, even you can see this is a finite set. Finite means we know we can see each and every element. This is also finite set. But suppose I am writing set of natural numbers, then I need not to write each and every element, because this is an infinite set. I will mark dot dot dot. Dot dot means and so on. It means this is infinite set. Here in infinite set you cannot list each and every element, but in finite set you can list each and every element, right? So, roster method or listing method, this is clear. This is the same. Again we are moving set builder method or rule method. In this method, a set is described by the characterizing property of its element. Okay, let us understand it once again. I wrote it. I am taking that case once again. Let me change the color of my pen. Okay, I am writing A is equal to x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. Vowel of English alphabet. What I wrote in the previous slides, alphabet in listing method or roster method. What I wrote it as A, E, I, O, U. These two sets are same set. These two sets are same set. The upper one is set builder method or rule method, and the lower one is roster method or listing method. So, the characteristic property is written. Once again, let me remind you, I wrote set B as 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the listing method, the previous one. And if I write the characteristic property, then I will write x. You can either write two dots or you can also draw a line this. It means it is stated for such that x is a natural number and x is x is a natural number and x is less than 10, x is even, x is even. Even in place of 3 rules, I can write a single rule: x is a natural number, even natural number less than 10. So, the second one, the lower one, is set builder method. Okay. Now, few more things must be cleared in the mind. In set, repetition of the element does not change the set. I wrote A, E, I, O, U, right. If I am repeating any element, suppose I am writing another set, I wrote A, E, A, U, I, O, U. Here you can see I have repeated few elements. So, repetition of the element does not change the set. So, A and A dash are the same set. Moreover, the order in which the elements have been written, objects have been written, that does not make any change. Previously, you have seen I was considering this set. If I write B dash as 4, 8, 6, 2. So, here both the sets B and B dash are same, because simply you have changed the order. So, changing the order is not making any difference. Moreover, it must be kept in the mind that whenever you are writing a set, elements are enclosed with the help of curly brackets. We are taking curly brackets, and the element curly bracket, we are not, you cannot use a small bracket and don't use a square bracket, right? And you are separating the elements by the commas. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video. If you have any doubt, any query, any question, please mention in the comment section. And if you want video on any topic of your choice, do mention in the comment section. Once again, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.